All right. I am on location at Burger King where there might be some sort of tornado happening. Okay, not really, but you can see the trees blowing in the background, and it's really windy out, and I'm not sure what the deal is. I guess it's weather. It's Mother Nature. I came to. Did I say Wendy's? I'm at Burger King in Versailles because that's the closest one to me. And I came for two reasons. One, I never go since there isn't one very close to where I am. I'm picking somebody up at the airport, so it's a perfect opportunity. I got to kill some time to try out some new products. One is the black cherry Fanta, and this one is weird. You can see it's black, and I can only imagine what it's going to do to my insides. But I have that. The other thing I have are the chicken tenders. I haven't tried those yet. I'm a chicken tender guy. Apparently, people have been pointing that out in the review. But I wanted to go ahead and try this because the first order of tenders they were going to give me, they said looked like they were 6 days old. So the cool guy in the drive-thru said, I couldn't give you that. Got some tenders for you, and they're scorching hot. So I'm gonna start with this, and we'll see what happens. Hope I don't get a brain freeze. Here we go. Okay, so anybody who knows me knows I love cherry ices. Burger King actually uses icee brand. Something about the consistency of the ice. There's something about the taste. They do use Fanta, and this is a black cherry Fanta. For me, doesn't taste much different than regular cherry. If you've had a cherry Fanta, cherry slushy, you've had one of these. But I bet you've never had a black one unless you've come here. It's pretty good. I like it. I am starting to get a brain freeze. What we really want to know though is my tongue black yet? I've drank not very much. Not yet. See if we can try the tenders yet. I got buffalo. I tend to like the buffalo sauce here. Get that ready while the chicken is still cooling off. Crispy chicken tenders. I will say that I like Burger King. I like the chicken fries more than I like the nuggets, but I don't like the chicken sandwiches because I don't like the potato buns. Chicken is crispy, fresh. Terrible. Could be overcooked if anything, but let's try it without. The breading is crunchy, it's bready, and it's boring. So, buffalo, hopefully, will make this better. You know it does. You know it does. No black. These tenders kind of surprised me because I'm sure it shows up on camera. They've got like an almost orange hue to them, so I thought maybe they'll have a natural spice to them or something like that, but I'm really not getting that at all. Kind of disappointed that my tongue's not black yet, though. I'm really trying to go in on this thing to see if I can get you guys a black tongue. But so far, nothing. I don't know what to say about these tenders. They're not bad. I like them. They're just kind of boring. Less flavor than McDonald's tenders, but similar crunch. More crunch. I'm gonna try it without again. Just really bready. I don't want that. I want to taste some spice in the breading. I don't need 11. I don't even need 11 herbs and spices. I just need some spices. 5. Let's say salt, pepper, some paprika. That's 3. Let's start there. Start there. Instead, I think we have flour and flour. Maybe some salt. They are hot. I will give them that. They're fresh. They're hot. I've been going on too long, and it's only because I'm trying to get you guys black tongue here, but I don't think it's going to happen. Swishing it around in there. Not really. Maybe my tongue just doesn't absorb flavor. I've seen other people get this thing and have completely black tongue. I just couldn't do it for you. I let you down, but I tried it so you don't have to. I'm not even gonna imagine, well, I am imagining it, but I'm not gonna explain what this could be doing to my insides. It's just food coloring, but I don't know. Now, somebody online said that it was more of a purple, but mine's not. It's black. It's like coal. It's black. All right. On that note, I'm out.